Are you thinking about moving to Prosper, Texas, or buying a new construction home in Prosper, Texas? Well, how would you like to live in a gorgeous luxury home in a master planned community right in Prosper? Let me show you Star Trail. Let's go. Star Trail has a convenient location in a peaceful suburban feel, great schools, and endless things to do. Hi, I'm Cami Hall, North Dallas Realtor, brokered by TCRE, and I have been helping people just like you buy and sell and relocate here since 2015. In this channel, I show you what it's like living in the North Dallas suburbs, like Salina, McKinney, Frisco, Prosper. And if that's information that you would like to know, then be sure that you tap the subscribe button and click the bell for notifications so that you will be notified each time I release a new video. Today, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about living in Star Trail, Prosper, Texas, including location, schools, things to do. And then I'll take you on a tour on one of the model homes right here on site. So if you're thinking about buying a home in Prosper, Texas, this video is for you. Let's go. Star Trail is all about luxury and lifestyle. Imagine walking through beautiful landscaped trails, serene lakes and tree-lined streets. The community's private 5-acre amenity is a standout feature with 3 resort-style pools, a clubhouse with entertainment spaces, outdoor lounge areas, and a cozy fireplace with a big screen TV. Residents here enjoy a true retreat. There's also a 1-acre playground for children and 2 fully equipped party pavilions with grills and dining areas, plus lighted courts for tennis and pickleball. Star Trail even has 2 town parks within the community, complete with playgrounds and a basketball court. If education is a priority for you, Star Trail residents have access to Prosper ISD's top-rated schools, ranked as one of the top districts in the area. Prosper ISD upholds its exemplary status by maintaining low student-to-teacher ratios, offering the latest technology to students, and school-aged children attend Joyce Hall Elementary right behind me, Rushing Middle School, and Prosper High School. And this elementary school is actually right here in Star Trail, making drop-offs and pickups a total breeze. Real estate in Star Trail showcases housing designs by some of the area's most respected builders, with ultimately more than 1,800 homes situated on just over 900 acres. These homes are from the 700s to 1 million plus. We have American Legend, Britton Homes, Coventry Homes, Highland Homes, and Toll Brothers. This is just one of the Highland Homes models here in Star Trail. This is 3,232 square feet. It's a 2-story with 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, a family room, game room, study, dining area, outdoor living area, and 3-car garage. And this home starts in the low 900s. Highland Homes is a great builder. It's one of my favorites in the area. I love their really tall ceilings, and look at this beautiful kitchen. Tons of counter space and nice open floor plan. They just use the space in their homes really, really well. Look at this luxury master suite with windows to the backyard And this master bathroom is just gorgeous. I could spend hours soaking in that tub, and look at all of this closet space. As we go upstairs, you'll see the office to the left. Upstairs, we do have 3 bedrooms and a media room with a nice big bonus area overlooking the living space. Each bedroom has its own bathroom, which I love. My name is Cami Hall, and I'm proud to be your Texas Realtor. If you're considering a move out to the North Dallas area, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email, and I will be happy to help you make a smooth move. My contact information is below. I'll talk to you soon.